What do you think of this Pepsi in this animation? In this video, we will model Pepsi, and in the next video, we will do the animation. We will upload a picture of the Pepsi, then we will add vertex and place it on the outer sides of the Pepsi, but only on one side, because we will spin it later to form the appropriate shape. We will model the top part of the Pepsi, which also contains the opening of the Pepsi. We will model the place where the Pepsi opens, which is a circle, but we will change its shape to suit the desired shape. Then we will place it in its position, and then we will apply some properties to it to combine it with Pepsi. And now it's time for the Pepsi opener, which is also a circle. We will shape it as we want and place it on its base that we modeled. fill the bottom and also modify it to make it more realistic. Let's put the material for Pepsi, which is an image. We will press Ctrl-T to load the image. Then we will modify it in the UV editor option. I divided the video into 2 parts so that it is not too long. I am sorry if this bothered you. Please subscribe to receive the second part of the video, and thank you for watching.